Today we're making these pipe cleaner roses. Start with 12 pipe cleaners. For the smallest petals, cut 1 into 3 equal parts, each 10 centimeters. For the second and third layers, take 5 pipe cleaners and cut them in half to get 10 pieces, each 15 centimeters. Use 4 for the second layer, and 6 for the third. The final layer uses 6 full pipe cleaners. Take 1 pipe cleaner and twist it tightly from the middle. At the end, leave a bit of length. Thread it through from the outside, and pinch to secure. Shape it into a round petal. The first layer needs 3 petals. Layers 2 to 4 use the same method. Twist from the middle. Leave some length. Thread through from outside, pinch, and shape. The second layer needs 4 petals. Third layer, same technique. The third layer needs 6 petals. Fourth layer, same method. Make sure all petals are roughly the same diameter. Now for the leaves. Fold 1 pipe cleaner. Take a bit over a third of its length, twist twice, bend down. Shape both sides into a natural curve, then twist at the base to secure. Make to leaves. Trim 1 stem from each leaf, keeping 1. Start attaching the petals. First, the 3 innermost petals. Arrange them in a small triangle. Keep the petals at the same height. Adjust the shape, then attach the second layer. Place the first petal of the second layer between 2 petals from the previous layer. Secure the first petal in place. Continue attaching the rest in order. Adjust the shape, then move to the third layer. Attach the first petal of the third layer between 2 petals from the previous layer. Let the second petal overlap the first for a layered look. Continue the same way. Tuck the last petal inside the first for a wrapped effect. Start the fourth and final layer. It uses the same number and technique as the third layer. Adjust the shape. The basic flower is now done. Now attach the leaves. Use a little glue to secure the base. tape around the leaf stems. Same for both leaves. Attach the leaves to the flower. Use a lighter to melt the flower base slightly, making it thinner. Start wrapping floral tape from the flower. Tightly at first, then move down slowly. About a third of the way down, attach the first leaf. Add the second leaf, then wrap all the way down. Finally, add some blush for a natural gradient. It looks nicer. You can skip this step, the original color is also pretty. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.